Hello, and welcome to the Student Accommodation Setup for Industry Certification. This video will cover Certiport and how to request accommodations for Certiport exams. Most students will have already created an account in class. It is imperative that the student only maintains one Certiport account at a time. Avoiding multiple account creation is important to maintain accommodation accuracy. If there are any questions about the student's account, please confirm the account information with the teacher. In order to maintain accommodations, parents must create an accommodations account and link that account with the student's Certiport account. Go to the link on the screen to begin. To create a new accommodations account, click New Candidate Registration under First Time Request. If you're returning, please enter your username and password. The Reasonable Adjustments Request System account registration page looks like this. You will need to enter all the required information. Please note that your username should be the same as your Certiport username. It should be identical. The primary email will receive all account request related emails, so please consider who, the test candidate or the parent, is best equipped to receive and respond to these emails. That email should be the primary email. Once you create an account, an activation email will be sent to the primary email address. It may take several minutes for the email to arrive. Only click on the activation link one time. After clicking the activation link, you'll be asked to log in to the Reasonable Adjustments Request System using your username and password that was just created. Upon logging in, click the Start a New Request Here button to begin your accommodation request. Both the exam program, Step 1, and the test name, Step 2, auto-populate with Certiport. For both steps, please disregard the prompts and click the Continue button. Select your disability category from the Request Type drop-down. Select your desired accommodations from the Request Item drop-down, and explain why this accommodation will be helpful in the Request Rationale box. Please enter the names and contact info of any individual Certiport may contact regarding your request. Parents and teachers are commonly added here. Make sure your supporting documentation meets the documentation guidelines. Click More Info buttons for details specific to your selected disorder. A note about documentation. Any documentation submitted must include a clear diagnosis, be printed on the evaluator's or school's official letterhead, be signed and dated by the evaluator, doctor, or school official, discuss current functional limitations likely to affect the candidate's ability to take the exam under standard conditions, and provide specific rationale for each requested accommodation. Detailed documentation guidelines can be found here. When uploading documents, be sure to click the Upload icon for your first document. For any additional documents, click the Upload Additional Documents button. Please note, if you're under 18, a blank guardian consent form may be found under My Forms. After you have uploaded the necessary documents, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. You'll receive an email notifying you that your request has been submitted. This may take several minutes. Please allow 10 business days for us to review your materials. After your request has been reviewed, you will receive an email to notify you that a determination has been made. The determination letter will appear on Step 6 of your request in the My Documents section. Do you have questions? Email us at accommodations.certiport@pearson.com. Troubleshooting. Activation error. If you click the activation link in the account activation email multiple times, you will receive an error. The error message looks like this. Before contacting the email address on the error message, try the following workaround. Please go directly to https://certiport.onhgcloud.com accommodation.com/asp/hgportal.asp and try logging in with the newly created username and password. If this workaround does not work, then please send an email to Accommodation Certiport at pearson.com explaining what happened and what you have tried. That's it for the Certiport accommodations request form. We hope this video has helped you prepare your request for accommodations. Thank you.